Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Pro. Today we have a 2010 Mazda 3, stock number 6671. This ran from the 4th 2009 to the 10th 2013. It is an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left-hand mirror. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left-hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right-hand taillight, minor sun cracks. Right rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door cone. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.